Hi there, welcome to the Thordata channel. Today we're introducing our residential proxy service. We offer over 60 million real residential IPs across 195 plus countries, starting at just $1.80 per gigabyte, helping you easily bypass geoblocks and anti-scraping measures at an ultra-low cost. Now let's talk about something you'll love, the price. We're currently running a 30% discount, and if you go for a plan of 500 gigabytes or more, you can save up to 60%. Ready to get started? Head over to the Proxy setup page. First, enter your username and password. Then, choose your desired proxy location. If you don't have a preference, the system will automatically pick one for you. On the right side, you can select your preferred output format. Once you're set, just hit the copy button on the right, and you're all done.